Hello and welcome back. November will not go away without another Nadia video again. This time I will show you something I never really intended to buy and regretted it multiple times ever since I did, but I still decided against my best judgment and bought it. I have to be honest, I hate Nendoroids, or nendos in short, because they are way too expensive for their size and it feels very crash grabby to me, and I don't like chibi figures in general. That's why I hate Funko Pops passionately too, by the way. It's commendable that they are trying to bring a lot of older or more obscure series and characters for the fans that are long forgotten or do not even have regular scale figures, like they did this year with Ouran High School House Club, Given or Fushigi Yugi, for example. It's a shame because I would pay a significant amount of money for a real scale figure of this series, but you have to settle with a small chibi Nendo that usually starts around 5,000 yens, which is insane in my opinion. My biggest figure to this day, the Ichiban Kuji Cheryl Gnome, which is almost 35 centimeters tall, cost less than a freaking Nendo, which can fit in your palm, so take it for what it is. This Nadia Nendo is actually a part of Nendoroid Petit line, which means that it's even smaller than a regular Nendo and is about 6.5 centimeters tall. It was cheaper as well, along 2,000 yens, which is still way too much for a small figure like this, but it's Nadia, my favorite, so you know me. The assembly went not well, not at all. The figure comes with a transparent little stand that has an extension rod on the back that actually holds Nadia in this floating position. However, that little stuff did not want to fit into her back at all, no matter how I tried it. So after long minutes of trying and failing, I almost had a nervous breakdown and threw everything out to the trash. I set the figure aside for a couple of days. I tried to expand the hole with a mini drill until it actually fit, and I was able to assemble and take photos of it. I never touched it ever since, likely never will, because whenever I look at it, I only remember the frustration it brought along. But if Nendos are your thing, this might be a figure for you. Thank you for watching.